Dear students, we are happy to launch Premier Academy's mentorship program, PA Mentorship. Here, two different types of mentorship program is there. One is PA Mentorship program. Second one is G class with PA Mentorship program. Google Drive class with the PA Mentorship program. G class with the PA Mentorship program, separate video is there. In this video, I would like to announce Premier Academy's mentorship program that is called PA Mentorship program. You know what is called the PA Mentorship program? Whoever want to study, what to study, when to study, how to study, the confusion is there from the student side. For that, the faculty is ready to help for the student means it will be more advantage for the student to complete the portion. Because in general, CA students are hardworking students, but they don't know how to complete because of pandemic situation. They are sitting in home, or because of office pressure, or because after they completed the class, there is nobody is there to what guide them. So they may have some stress to complete the portion. For that purpose, we want to help our students. That is called PA Mentorship Program. It's a guiding the students for to clear the examination. So how we are going to proceed? What are the advantage? All those things our Bharat Kumar sir is going to explain. Welcome, Bharat.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. So, guys, on understanding what is this PA mentorship program, it is not only for the students who are attending classes in Premier Academy. The students who have already attended classes somewhere else, and it's been a long gap because we are sitting in the pandemic situation, right? So you will only be doing a one-on-one session with your own self. You may not know whether you are in the right track. We always say this, you can be wrong in your methods, but not in direction. If you are whole completely wrong in direction, there has to be someone who should direct you and say that, no, this is not the way, and this is how you will have to proceed for the exam. Or sometimes you may feel, sir, I have attended classes somewhere else, but I do not know whether I'm in track. At that time, I was able to understand something or not able to understand, but it has been a long gap. But I still have that perseverance to complete the examination. Will I be able to do? That doubtfulness, that fearness, that stress, anxiety, depression, these are negative words which we will never use it in our class. But still, why I wanted to cover this, there are people who are getting tagged under any of these thoughts. So at that particular point of time, you may not know where to go. The most importantly, you will be hesitant to pay another time fees and attend the class, because in most of the academies, the only thing is you will have to pay and then only speak with the faculty. So that cannot be happening a lot of times, because during this, everybody understands what are the financial position that people have. So you have already attended the classes, you would have spent some thousands and thousands of rupees somewhere else, and you would never feel the benefit that is being derived 100%. So for those people who feel like there has to be something from my side, or some people who come back to Hari sir or who come back to any of the faculties, they say, sir, I have lost touch for 3 years. I know what the subject is. I have attended the classes, but I do not know what is my strength and weakness. So they may try to come sometimes. And the most important thing in this PA mentorship program is we are not doing it for subject wise. We are also doing it for groups. The whole group we do it, and we have a considerable concession that we are trying to give when you are joining for a group. Because many people say, sir, I am strong in law. I don't wanted to cover up law. I will take up costing in a firm. For those people, you can separately take PA mentorship program under Hariharan sir. If you wanted to say, sir, I know all the papers, but still I do not know how to manage my time within that time, within the timeline for all the 4 groups. Because sometimes you will sit only with that one paper and you will start meddling. And the more you are near to the exam, at that time only you will start thinking about the other papers. So you are not devoting time, and you should understand minimum 40 marks we are going to get for every paper. You cannot concentrate only on single paper. So it can be a combination of theory and practical. So you can join as a group in PA mentorship program, and the whole program will try to take out all the weaknesses that is going to be there individually. We are going to have one-on-one session with the faculty. How is that going to happen? Now you have applied or you have registered for PA mentorship program. First, initially we will have a discussion, or the student will have a discussion with the faculty asking for what you have done all this time, how are you going to proceed, and then we will give you topic wise points, and the topic wise test will happen. Based on the test, we will try to analyze and see whether you are in right track or direction. Guys, you should understand one more thing. Topic wise test is not just the test with some question and answers. There would have been an intense research and development that is gone behind that. What is going to be for that particular attempt? Are we considering RTP and MTP of that attempt? Is that an expected question that you should concentrate more? All these will be considered inside the topic wise test. Once you finish the topic wise, the next thing is, by the time you finish up, you will be able to attend. Now, when you will meet with the faculty, that will be the next question. First, initially, there will be one meeting for you to have an ice-breaking session with the faculty. Then topic-wise will be there, and each after every topic for one week, you will be able to complete it. So for one particular subject, there will be 1 month that you can have for a PA mentorship program. So actually 1 + 4 times you can meet with the faculty, you can finish up the class-wise test. Now, more than the class-wise test, this mentorship program is developed for you to tell a daily plan, because many people do not know when they are doing articles, what time they will have to devote for what subject. 9 to 5 is the articles. What is that before 9? What is after 9? So all that study plan will be told. Weekly plans will be there. Strategies will be devised and given. For example, we always say in psychology, eat the frog first, correct? So whatever is the tough topic, you will have to take it. Now, when you consider a subject like law, I would always say incorporation, share capital and debentures, management and administration, audit and auditor should be taken first. So that will cover the A category. Now, have you considered that before? You would have never thought that, because you will always be concentrating on definitions or small chapters like deposits and charges. You may not know the seriousness behind it. So at that time, you would strategize. Exactly when it comes to costing in FM, Hari sir would tell this is the A category. Marginal costing, standard costing, you should have concentrated that. So subject-wise, there are expert faculties. So why I'm telling that for a costing is just an example to make you know. Likewise, you will have for EASM. Likewise, you will have for economics. And Shanmunan sir will do it for accounting. So almost all the subjects and other subjects also will be taken care. Now, if you have the plan, it is already half done. If there is a daily plan, if there is a weekly plan, and based on the weekly plan, if you are writing a topic-wise test, you will be almost done. And at the end of the day, we will have a 100%, 100 marks revision that you are going to do, and it will be evaluated by the same faculty who is going to sit with you on the one-on-one session. So there will be no doubt on that. You can accordingly do. Most importantly, doubt clearing sessions, revisions would already be there. We would ask you, we would test you, we would visualize with that what you have done with the previous week, whether you are in track or not, what you have done in the previous one. It is almost like a business process re-engineering, which we study in both costing and technology. So what we do, we re-engineer the business process. Whether you are in right direction or not is what we will try to do, and you can complete. So the basis for one particular subject, it will be 1 month. For the whole group, for one group together, it will be 3 months. For both the groups, if at all you wanted to join, it will be 4 months. Why it is 4 months for both the groups is, there is, for example, if there is costing that you are taking up, and the second group, if it is FM, Hari sir would handle both. If you wanted to join first and second group, I would take care of corporate and other laws, EASM, and economics for finance. So we can manage our time within that. So you will be able to do. Or you can ask me, sir, we are only for heading for November 21. I am going to write only for May 22 exams. Should I take both groups now? Not necessary. You can complete one group now, get the strongness on the first group. Then you can join up the second group. And if at all you wanted to join class, if you are willing to join, sir, I was very happy with the session on the first group. I want to try second group. What I should do? Stop here. Go for G class plus PA mentorship program. You will also be taking up classes. You will also be handling up the session, and that 100 marks will be there. Or if you are listening for the first time, but you have never attended classes before, go directly for G class plus PA mentorship program, and that should be easy for you to divide. So in simple words, G class plus mentorship program will be included with the recorded classes. This PA mentorship program is exclusively for people who already attend the classes or already knows about the subject, but do not know where they are heading for, or if they feel like they are stressed up because of this, sitting in the same place and doing, whether they are doing it in the right track. Many people come back to us and say, sir, we are slowly losing hope whether we will be able to complete CA. Those type of psychological reasoning also come. But for that, we would always say idle mind is devil's workshop. If you are more idle and if you are sitting and doing the same thing, you will not be engaged. So you will start thinking hasty things. So when you come and attend a program like this, the positivity will be injected, confidence will be there, perseverance. Daily you will study something or the other. We would always say, without doing an effort for an year, Hari sir would always say this, without doing an effort, if you do it, will only be 0.00, at least 0.01%. If you move also for a year, there is going to be a change. So the only thing is, whether we are going slow or fast is not the point. Are we continue walking? That is more important. So and that's what we will ensure in this particular PA mentorship program. We are very, very happy to announce that we have always been pioneers in bringing up new concepts, and we wanted to do this also, not just for the sake of people who are attending PA classes, because that's what many faculties or many academies we do, but we are concentrating on people who have not attended our classes, but still if they wanted to excel in exams and in professional life, we are always there to help, and Premier Academy would be happy to do it. So that's the whole course about.
Good, Manoj. Very clear. Good. Why you are seeing we are pioneer? Mentorship program, meeting the faculty per subject minimum 5 times, plus topic wise test we are asking you to write. We are giving study plan for the week, every week, and we are meeting the student at a topic wise test, valued by, settled by the question paper, settled by the faculty, and valued by the same faculty, and a 100-mark test also. So this is all happening as a package only in our academy. That's why you are called a pioneer in that. So make use of the opportunity. So register for PA mentorship program, meet with the faculty for study plan, how to prepare, winning strategy, all those things you can get. Then examination tips also going to provided by the faculty. Weekly once again, you are going to meet the faculty for appraisal, and the next week study plan also given by the faculty. Everything one-to-one basis, tailor-made basis. And you have to write every topic as a test. 10 topics are there in paper, mean 10 tests you have to write. Plus 100-mark test also you have to write. So in addition to topic-based test, you have to write 100-mark as if ICA syllabus, ICA examination, 100-mark paper also you have to write. So on the doubt clearance session also will be there, one-to-one basis with the faculty. So make use of the opportunity. Soon we can meet in PA mentorship program. Thank you so much.
Thank you.